Hello and welcome back. So today I reached in the bucket of locks that I got from Trekmaster30 and pulled out a challenge lock. But this is a master lock. What is that, 6835? It's a lockout. There's the bitting on the key. Not too bad. Pretty good bitting there. Yeah, anyway, I thought I'd put it in the vise and see what Trekmaster put in this. See if I can get into it. Yeah, these master lockout tagouts are usually pretty good locks to begin with, and then adding the devious mind of Trekmaster30, and who knows what we've got in this thing. So but at any rate, if you haven't checked out Trekmaster30, which for some reason I have no idea why anybody wouldn't have, go check him out. He has quite a few awesome videos up, and he is picking quite a few really cool locks, and he's making some awesome challenge locks. So at any rate, let's see if we can get into this. It's a master. Should be able to use 40,000s, but I got to use my long end because yeah, that'll work. It's a little floppy in there. I wonder if I can get my 50,000s in there. Yeah, I can't get my 50 in there. Okay, let's put that in there. That'll work. And usually on these, let's see, I've picked a couple master lockouts. Usually I can get into the keyway with a 18,000s gem. Yeah, that'll work. Yeah, okay. That'll work. Alright. And let's zoom in for you guys and hopefully see if we can get into this thing. There we go. On focus. There we go. Awesome. Starting the back of the lock as I always do, and search for a binder. Okay. Okay, I got a little bit on 4 or 3 there. 2. 1 is bound. Gotta click on him. Okay, got a little counter there on 5, I think it was, and I think I gotta click on him. That's 3. 2 again. 1. Okay, my feedback went away. I just moved the core back a little bit and dropped something by accident. But on 1, 2. Counter on 3. Okay, I got to click on him. Trouble getting to the back there. Okay, there was a click on 1. Gave me a nice little false set there. Oh, okay, I just touched 2 and went to a deep false set. 4, gave it even deeper. But on 3. Okay, I'm getting counter on 1 or 2 there. Come on. Okay, I think I got him set, but I think I may have overset. Nope, nope, there we go. Just touched 4 and got it back. It is unlocked. Awesome. Let's zoom out for you guys. Hopefully my furnace isn't too loud. It started snowing. Alright, let's see here. It is picked. I do have a key here. Take this key off. Hopefully that furnace isn't too loud. Normally I just shut it off. You know what? Yeah, we got a screwdriver. Let me turn turn my furnace off here. There we go. That's a little bit better. Looks like we got a screwdriver down the shackle hole. You know what? I'm going to pull that key though. It's not mummied or anything. There we go. Let's get my pinning tray out. There we go. And we'll gut this thing and see what we got here. Awesome. Okay. I'll probably need a small one. And then it's a master. Try to keep this all in frame here. There we go. Screwdriver. Got one of those right here. Okay. Awesomeness. Alright, everything fell out as it should. It is still picked. Hey, awesome. It has a clip, not a crimped core. I was afraid that it would have a crimped core on the back here. Since it does not, that's going to work out just nicely. Because I can get the clip off. There we go. And we want to turn that like, well, let's shim this first. Being that it is a challenge lock. If I can get a shim in there. Okay, let's try this ultra thin one here. Wow. Shim doesn't even want to go in. There we go. Wow. That's some nastiness in there when a shim doesn't want to go in. Alright. That's as far as I'm going to get the shim to go in. So we will keep the key pins up and hope for the best. There we go. That worked out nicely. It is a 6-pinner. And I'm already seeing some evil. Here we go. Show you guys that the key pins are in and working. Awesomeness. Alright, let's dump these and see what we got here. Looks like we have a, well, I'm not even going to try to go through them. I'll zoom in. They're so tiny. It's going to be a, oops, shoot. Well, that's a pin-in pin. Holy crap. Dude, you and your tiny pin-in pins. Holy crap. Okay. Awesome, awesome work. Looks like 1, 2, 3, and 6 are threaded. You guys can see that. Awesome job on that, man. But I've come to expect that with you. Trekmaster30's making some awesome locks, like I said. So let's go ahead and get these out. Let's mark the front of this. Go, marker. Mark the front of that, so I put it back right. Okay, and let's see if we can get these out without making too much of a mess. Alright. One, we have a nicely serrated pin. Two, we have a, wow, okay. He had a drunken spool in there. Crap. Alright. 3, we have a serrated, or I mean a spool. Nice looking spool. Another spool in 4. Alright, looks like we had a T-pin. And 5 and 6 hopped out on me. Crap, out the back. But he is a serrated spool anyway, so kind of knew the way he was in. Wow, you guys can see from the top here that it looks like 1, 2, 3, and 5 are threaded in the core as well, and I'm not seeing any variance in the springs, so I can probably just dump these springs. There we go. Awesome lock. Yeah, 1, 4, 5, and 6 are threaded in the core. Or in the Bible, I mean. Come on, focus. Come on. I don't know if you guys are seeing that. At least you can see it on top anyway. Awesome job on this lock, man. So, alright, let's give you guys a close-up of these awesome pins. Let me make sure that there aren't any other pin-in pins here. Nope. That one looks to be just make sure that that is just a serration and not a pin-in pin. I know how he likes his pin-in pins. That's what that is. That's awesome. That was just a spool, and that one's just serrated. Okay, awesome. That was a drunken spool. Okay, let's show you guys these pins and try to get you guys a good close-up of these because they are awesome. In one, we had a T-pin serrated key pin, and in the driver we had a nice serrated. Then in 2 we have 1 serration on the key pin, and then a drunken spool, and actually that's a serrated drunken spool. On the bottom of that it is serrated. Then we have a nicely serrated reduced diameter top key pin in 3, and a spool in the driver. Then we have a pin in 4 key pin, and then a serrated spool in the driver. Then we have a standard, or well, no, that looks like there's serration on it. A serration on the key pin, and then a T-pin in the driver. Then we have a nice serrated key pin and a serrated spool, and all steel springs up top. But that's what was inside of this Cool Hand Luke, pinned by Trekmaster30. Thank you very much for this lock and all the locks you sent me, man. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your time, and